Greetings from the South Texas Border Adventures channel. I'm Dave, and for our first video I just want to show you a little bit of where we live on Treasure Lake in San Benito, 4 miles from the Mexican border, and we will be taking you across to Mexico every now and then for medical, dental, perhaps to make a purchase or two, get some eyeglasses, maybe sit in the park and do whatever over in Matamoros or Progreso. So anyway, I'll keep it brief for our first video here from the South Texas Border Adventures channel. I'm Dave, wrapping it up for this video, and hasta luego.